Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need an updated iPad, assigned an Apple ID with two-factor authentication and network access. First, open Settings and go to Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap Add Card to begin. You'll be prompted to scan a card or enter details manually, do whichever is faster. Once done, the bank or card issuer will verify your card. Make sure to check any verification text or app prompt. This step links your payment instrument to Apple Pay, which is why verification is required. After adding the card, you'll verify it, often via SMS code, your bank's app, or a quick call. You must complete verification for the card to be active. Next, open Wallet to set the default card, confirm your billing address, and update contact info. These values populate merchant forms automatically. Also consider enabling Express Transit or configuring the double-click Home/Top button for faster access. Make these choices now so payments later are both secure. And to pay in apps or on websites, choose Apple Pay at checkout and authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. That verifies you and completes the transaction. For in-store terminals that accept contactless, hold the top edge of your iPad near the reader until the confirmation appears. Receipts often appear in Wallet. If a payment fails, re-verify the card in Wallet, ensure iPadOS is current, and restart the device. If problems persist, contact the card issuer to resolve holds or verification issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.